Oh my goodness. So good, the texture. Happy holidays, friends. Today we're going to be making some brownie cookies.
Yeah, we're making brownie cookies.
For our friends and family.
That's right, for our friends and family. For the holidays, we're doing the thing called, some people call it being elfed.
Yeah, which I got off today.
Yeah, she got elfed today. She got these, somebody left a present for her. Basically means that you leave a present for your friends on their porch, and you kind of like ring their bell and you go away. And then they find a present for them.
It was from Annalise, my BFF.
Right.
We were BFF since we were 2.
Mm-hmm. And what we're going to do is we're going to call it Ding Dong Gift. So we're making all these cookies. We're putting them together. We're going to drop them on some porches, ring the doorbell, run away, and laugh and laugh and laugh. And we previously made some red and green sugar cookies.
Yeah, and they were delicious.
Yeah, we made that in our last time. And right now what we're going to do is we're going to make some brownie cookies.
I love brownie cookies.
So we're going to start off with this right here.
Yeah.
We're going to make a double batch here. But the trick is, yeah, it's not just this. It's not just this. We're not following the instructions exactly.
Yeah. This is a recipe to make actual brownies.
Yeah, and we're gonna make it a little bit different because we're gonna make them into cookies.
Yeah.
And we put a little powdered sugar on them. It's gonna be really nice. So let's get started, okay? All right, guys. So we have this bowl right here that we're gonna be stirring the stuff up in. We're making a double batch, so all these measurements are for a double batch. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this off on the edge right here.
And
Jenny, why don't you go ahead and dump that in there.
It looks like brown sugar.
There's just a little packet of chocolate.
We're gonna add. Can we add some chocolate into it?
Wait and see.
Oops, I got some out.
Well, you gotta be careful to keep that stuff inside there. And guys, just so you know, there's a pandemic and stuff going on. These guys haven't been seeing any friends or to school and stuff in 6 months.
Yeah, but Messenger Kids helps me and my friends and my cousin.
Yeah, she talks to people
on my tablet.
On her tablet and stuff.
Which is Messenger Kids.
And so they haven't been anywhere. They're not exposed to anything. I'm an essential worker, so I get tested once a week
You
at
told
least.
them that in the other video.
Yeah, I'm telling them in this video now. So, just so you know, we're not spewing COVID all over these things. It's all good.
We're tired of being stuck at home.
Yeah, that's true.
No.
Takes 2 eggs.
Okay.
Jenny, you like to crack these eggs?
Yep, because I
2 eggs.
am getting really good at it.
Okay, yeah, crack into the blue bowl first. And then if there's shells in it, then we could pick up the shells before we put it in there.
Easy. Ouch. It's pointy. Dad, can you do this one? It's pointy.
There you go, that's 1 egg.
No, I'm going to do the next one because the other one was pointy.
Okay, so what do we have here?
Eggs.
Okay, what are we going to do with these eggs now?
Pour it into the bowl.
This?
Now the oil, I think, right?
Yeah, we got to put some oil on this.
Yeah, whole thing.
Okay, so remember this is a double batch, and this is a 2/3 cup right here, and we're going to fill it up. 2/3 of a cup oil. We're using olive oil right now.
OXO.
Yeah, it's a 1/3 cup per box, and we're doing 2 boxes, so 2/3.
This is a double batch, so
You.
I'm just gonna pour it in there, okay? It's all coming together.
We can't forget the chocolate syrup.
Okay, so let's put the chocolate syrup in there.
Okay, cut it up, Daddy.
Okay, I'll cut an edge and you just pour it in there, okay?
Oh, let's see what this chocolate syrup looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh, this looks so yummy. I can't wait to taste test these at the end. The people that were gonna give the cookies to the day before Christmas Eve, which is tomorrow. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow we're gonna do ding dong gift tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. Here, why don't you start pouring this one in? I'll get the little extra bits off it. I'm gonna make sure you get all the chocolate in there, because that's what makes things good. Don't eat that chocolate, Jenny.
I'm just smelling it.
What does it smell like?
Yummy chocolate.
Get all in there.
Pour it.
That's good.
Squeeze it. Oh. Paper towel.
Hands are gonna get a little messy, guys. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Always have paper towels beside
Whatever you do not lick your fingers.
Yeah. You need to have some paper towels close by.
Okay. Now I'll get the little bits out of it.
It looks like funny poo.
No. Does not look like poo, guys.
It's
Don't talk that way about delicious chocolates.
It's the color. Okay?
Yep. That's some pure chocolate right there.
Mm-hmm. Now time to mix.
You
Right?
start mixing it up. When you mix it up, gotta break up those eggs, gotta move that oil around.
Okay, so.
Yeah, mix it up good, mix it up good.
Ooh, this is looking yummy.
Okay guys, so it's 2 tablespoons of water per box. And so we got, we put those together. And put that in there too. We gotta get a little bit of water. It's okay, we got it, we got
It's just glass.
it. It's just glass, there's nothing broken there. It's just glass, guys, don't worry about eating glass. Remember, you need to have an adult supervision.
And
Responsible adult supervision, not crazy Uncle Ted. Like a mom or daddy, responsible big brother or something.
My big brother likes playing with his friends, with video games.
Yeah, he's not too much into making cookies.
Yeah, but so we mixed up the cookie dough, and now we're gonna make it into little balls.
Mm-hmm. So we gotta do that. I have a glove on here. You should be able to grab it. So you want a good size here. Do the size of 3 grapes. Like that. Do you have this? You good with this glove, Jimmy?
I'm gonna get 2 in 1.
Here, babe. You know what? This looks pretty messy. So I'll probably use this glove, okay?
You can help with putting the powdered sugar, okay?
Okay. I'll just be down below.
Jenny, sit up, please. Okay, so we have it in this little ball right here. And what we could do is
Dip in sugar.
kind of plop it in. Put it in this powdered sugar. Now you don't have to put in powdered sugar, but kind of helps keep it together.
It looks like snow. We live in California, so there's no snow.
You just kind of put it on the plate here. We just keep doing that until we have a whole plate of them. Get that on there. Really make it white. And it's going to expand when it's on when it cooks.
Yeah, in the oven. Except for 9 minutes.
You sort of eyeball it. There you go.
Eyeball. It's a little chocolate eyeball. It's a little chocolate eyeball.
There we go. Boop. It's going to spread out. It's going to spread out.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll just keep doing this, and then when we're ready to put it in the oven, we'll let you know.
Yep. Okay.
All right, guys, I've been informed that we need more powdered sugar on these things.
Yeah.
I'm going to see this spoon here. Shape it with the spoon.
She doesn't want to be on camera. And here she is.
Sticking her hands in the camera.
We're going to get powdered sugar everywhere.
I wasn't getting powdered sugar everywhere. Somebody else is. There you go. Now it's just a bunch of powdered sugar on the thing. We're losing lots of powdered sugar. Because this is what it looks like on the plate.
When it's not cooked.
Yeah, it's not cooked yet. We just have a lot of powdered sugar on there. There's a good amount. And now we're going to take this and we're going to put this in the oven for 9 minutes on 350.
Yep. I'm still working on this one. Okay, I think that's enough powdered sugar now.
Okay, that's enough powdered sugar on that one, that's for sure. Keep going.
Hey guys, we're back.
Check it out.
These are what the cookies look like out of the oven.
Yep, got a little bit of powdered sugar on there. These make about
3 dozen.
about 3 dozen, depending on the size of the cookies that you make, or the size of the balls they put on there. And at first I was making a normal size, then I was trying to make them really big ones. So we got about, what was it, 2 dozen?
3
We
dozen.
got 3 dozen. 3 dozen out of it. So want to try it? Try it?
Yeah. Which one?
Yeah, pick one.
Oh my goodness. So good. The texture. It's so good.
It's really good.
Oh. Oh, real. Whoa.
So we have one more batch of cookies to make.
Mhm.
We're gonna make Santa's favorite.
Mhm. The one that we make every year.
Mhm. It's
And then candy cane.
M&M candy cane cookies. Santa's favorite. We're making those next. So stay tuned,
Stay tuned.
or check out the next video if we make it into another video. Maybe we do. But I think we'll just put it in here. We'll see. We'll see.
Bye.
All right, be right back.
Bye.